Now we will move on to the session. But before entering into the session, what we have to do? Yes, of course, we have to do our morning prayer. Join your palms, close your eyes. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Yes, my dears, open your eyes. Good morning. Yes, today we are going to see our math session. Are you all waiting for it? Yes, before entering into the session, yes, what you, my dear parents, kindly mute your audio and video, please. Please mute your audio. Yes, thank you so much. Yes, my dears, we were seeing about the geometry. Geometry means what? Geo means earth and metry means measurement. Yes, now last classes we were seeing about the flat shapes, solid shapes, positional words and activity related to that and all those things, right? Yes, today we are going to start our session with the rhymes. Are you ready to sing the rhyme along with me? But what do you have to do? You have to mute your audio and then sing along with me. Are you ready? Yes, here we go. I'm a square, I'm a square. Okay, it's echoing, sir. Dear parents, kindly mute yourself. Yes, thank you so much. I'm a square, I'm a square. You can see me everywhere. I have four sides. I'm a square, I'm a square. I'm a circle, I'm a circle. I go round and round and round. I have only one side. I'm a circle round and round. I'm a triangle, triangle. I'm a pointy little shape. I have three sides. I'm a triangle, triangle. I'm a rectangle, rectangle like a really long square. I have four sides. I'm a rectangle, rectangle. We are shapes, we are shapes. You can see us everywhere. In the you can see us all around in the sky, in the ocean, way up high or on the ground. Yes, my dears. So this is the rhyme about the shapes. Yes, one more time I will sing. Slowly, you have to repeat after me. Okay, Patus? Yes. I'm a square. I'm a square. You can see me everywhere. I have four sides. I'm a square. I'm a square. I'm a circle. I'm a circle. I go round and round and round. I have only one side. I'm a circle round and round. I'm a triangle, triangle. I'm a pointy little shape. I have three sides. I'm a triangle, triangle. I'm a rectangle, rectangle like a really long square. I have four sides. I'm a rectangle, rectangle. We are shapes, we are shapes. You can see us all around in the sky, in the ocean, way up high or on the ground. Yes, my dears, hope so. You all enjoy the rhyme. Now is the time for workbook writing and textbook exercise. Yes, ma'am will give you time. You have to take out your workbook as well as your textbook. Yes, also a pencil along with you. Have you all taken, my dears? Are you ready? Okay, here we go. Lesson 10, Geometry, Worksheet 1, page number 42. Okay, turn to the page number 42. Okay, now I will read out the instructions. and you follow and you have to do the worksheet along with me. Okay, my dears? Yes. Color the animals that are inside the tent. Circle the animals that are outside the tent. Color the animals that are inside the tent. Circle the animals that are outside the tent. So what we are going to do here? We are going to color the animals which are inside the tent, and we are going to circle the animals that are outside the tent. Okay, dears? Yes. So can you find what animals are inside the tent? Yes, of course, it's rat and the puppy. Yes, so we are going to color it. We are going to color the animals which are inside the tent. Color it. Yes, okay, now which are the animals are sitting outside the tent? Yes, it is the cat and the turtle. Can we circle it? Yes, circle the cat and the turtle. Hope so. You have finished. I will move on to the big question. Okay, my dears? Yes. Color the things that are kept on the table. Color the things that are kept on the tables. Circle the things that are kept under the table. Circle the things that are kept under the table. Yes, on that day we did an activity. Do you remember that? On the table, under the table. Hope so you all remember that. Yes, now? Yes, now say me which is on the table. Yes, of course it's the vase and the book. We have vase and a book on the table. So we are going to color it. Yes, color the vase and the book on the table. Very good, superb. Now the next one we are going to circle the things that are kept under the table. That are kept under the table. What are the things under the table? Yes, of course, it's the keys and a pen. So can we circle it? Yes. Are you all doing along with me, my dears? Yes, you are a very brilliant children, right? You are very energetic and you can do along with me. Yes, I know that. Very good, my dears. Now we will move on to the next slide. Hope so. You all have finished. Worksheet number 2. Match the shapes that are same. Match the shape that are same. Okay, can you guess what is the first shape? Yes, it's a square. Okay, now we will take this side as A and the opposite side as B. Okay, we are going to match side A with side B. Okay, Kanna? Yes, we have found that the first one is square. So, can you find where is the square in B side? Yes, it's below triangle. So, we can match it. Very good. Okay, the next one is right angle, triangle. Right angle, triangle. Okay, can you find the right angle triangle on the B side? Yes, it is the first one. Can we match it? Yes, do it. Very good. The rest of the things is for your practice. Okay, my dears. Those who have the workbook, you can do it in your workbook. Those who don't have, no problem. We will be sending you the worksheets and you can do it in your practice note. Okay, my dears? Yes. Now it's the worksheet 3. Color the flat shapes from the following. Color the flat shapes from the following. Okay, so as you all know, what are all the flat shapes? Square, circle, triangle, rectangle, oval. Yes, and the solid shapes are cube, cuboid, cone, sphere, cylinder, all these things are solid shapes. Yes, na? Okay, now we are going to color only the flat shape. See the first shape. What is that? It's a square. Is it a flat shape? Yes, it is a flat shape. Square is a flat shape. So we are going to color the flat shape square. Color it. Okay. Hope you are all doing with me. Yes. Now we'll move on to the B shape. What is the shape here? Is it a flat shape? No. It is a solid shape. It's a cube. Do we have to color this? No, not at all. We should not color the solid shape. They have asked us only to color the flat shape. Okay, my dears? Yes. See the C1? It's the oval. Is oval a flat shape? Yes, of course, oval is a flat shape. So, we are going to color the flat shape oval. Okay. So, the rest of the things is for your practice. Okay, my dears? Yes. Now, we will move on to the next slide. Yes, now you are going to close your workbook and take out your math reader. You are going to take out your math textbook, that is the reader. Turn to page number 122. Turn to page number 122. Take out your maths reader, page number 122. I would like to call Miss Tenamai ma'am to continue the session.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Have you all taken, children? Page number 122. 122. Are you all ready, children? Yes. Shall we start? Yes. Look at the picture to complete the sentences given below. Look at the picture to complete the sentences given below. They have given some picture with some sentence. Yes, children. So, the first question, dash are above the tree. Which is above the tree? There are many things. They have used are, right? So, it is plural. So, which is above the tree? Can you find from the picture, children? There are many things above the tree. Which can you find? Can you find, children? Yes, it is clouds. Very good, children. Clouds. Clouds are above the tree. So we will be writing clouds. C-L-O-U-D-S. Clouds. Clouds. Clouds are above the tree. Shall we move on to the second question, children? Yes? Yes. Dash is far from the tree. Which is far from the tree? Can you find the animal which is far from the tree? Which animal is far from the tree? Rabbit. Yes, children. Rabbit is far from the tree. Good, Nandana. Very good. Rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit is far from the tree. Rabbit is far from the tree. Yes. Shall we move on to the third question, children? Yes. Dash is inside the net. Dash is inside the net. Which animal is inside the net? Very good. I'm getting many answers. Very good, children. Lovely. So, which animal is inside? Yes, lion. Lion is inside the net. What is the spelling of lion? L-I-O-N. Lion. Lion is inside the net. My children are very sharp. They are doing it very quickly. Yes? Very good. Shall we go on to the next page? Yes? This is also in the same page, 122. So, now we are going to see spatial relationship. Okay. What is spatial relationship? There'll be many things. They will compare two things with each other. Okay, children? So, they have given the picture of the pond. Yes, can you find many animals inside and outside the pictures? Inside and outside the pond? Yes, children? So, it is inside and outside. We are going to see inside and outside. One day, Ria went for a picnic. Ria went for a picnic. Let us see what she saw there. Let us see what she saw there. So, can you see the pictures there? Yes? So, we will move on to the first question. In the picture, the animals are inside the pond, that are inside the pond. Which all is inside the pond? There are many animals, right? So, which all is inside? How many animals are there inside the pond? You can see one duck. Yes. And how many fishes can you see? Can you find two fishes there? So, we are going to write duck and comma fishes. So, we will be writing duck, D-U-C-K, duck, comma fishes. So, because why are we writing fishes? Because there are more than one fish. We will be writing in plural form. Okay, children? All done? So, shall we move on to the second question? The animals that are outside the pond. Which are the animals that are outside the pond? Yes, there is a frog sitting on that rock, right? So, frog and one more animal. It's an insect also, yes. What is that animal? Butterfly. Can you find? Can you spot out? Yes. So, butterfly and frog. We are going to write in the dash frog and butterfly. So, butterfly, B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-Y, butterfly and comma frog. Have you all done, children? Yes? Shall ma'am wait for one more minute? Yes, quickly write. So, shall we move on to the next slide? Yes, children? Are you all ready? We will do another exercise. Yes. Now, the same page we have on, under. This is also positional words. Yes. So, we are going to have a look at the picture. Look at the picture. What all can you see? You can see a table, a flower pot, a book or a wallet. A book. Then, under the table, what all can you find? Yes, little rat and an orange, right? Orange or an apple? Ma'am is not able to view. Yes. So, what all? We will read the question. In the picture, circle the things that are on the table. Which are all on the table, children? We will circle it. Which are all on the table? Yes, which are all on the table? A pot and a book, right? So, we will be circling the things that are on the table. We will be circling the things that are on the table. Okay. We will be putting a cross mark which is under the table. What all can you see under the table, children? There are two things that you can see under the table. One is one animal and one more is one fruit. So, rat and an apple. Can you see? So, we are going to put a cross mark. Put into mark. So, we are going to put a cross. Have you all done, children? Yes? So, how was the pictures? Did you all enjoy seeing the pictures? Yes, children? Okay. Over to you, Rani ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. You all finished your textbook exercises. Yes, Kanna, please kindly practice all your homeworks. Yes. Now it's the time for scrapbook activity. Now it's the time for scrapbook activity. I will be giving you the instructions. What you are going to do is you are going to take out your scrapbook and you are going to do this one. Okay, I will be sending you the instructions by tomorrow and you can start doing that. Okay, the first one is math art. Okay, the math art. Can you see a robot here? Yes. So you are going to color the robot. Okay. If you are going to color the circle in a red, all the circles, see to that all the circles are in red. Okay. If you are going to color this rectangle in blue, see to that all the rectangles are in blue color. Okay, my dears. You are going to do this one in your scrapbook. I will send you the instructions and this PDF by tomorrow. Okay. Wait for that and you can do your activity in your scrapbook. Okay. Yes. Now we will move on to the next. Yes. It is a, see the shapes I have given here. Yes. These are all the flat shapes. What you are going to do is you are going to take out a newspaper. Okay. You are going to take out a newspaper. You are going to cut the flat shapes. Okay. Triangle, square, circle, oval, rectangle, whatever shapes you wish. You are going to cut it from the newspaper and you are going to create your own picture from it. Okay, you're going to create your own picture from it. Can you see the train here? Fishes, house, trees, car. Yes. So these are all the pictures made up of shapes, flat shapes. Yes, na? Yes. So you have to think by your own and you have to create your own picture and stick it in your scrapbook. Okay. So I will send all the instructions and this 2 PDF by tomorrow. Okay, you can then start doing it in your scrapbook. Okay, my dears? Yes. Now close all your textbooks, workbooks. Okay, sit relaxed. Now we are going to have the quiz time. Yes? Yes. So Saranya ma'am is waiting for us to give more and more of stars. Yes, you want the stars, right? Yes, so I will be asking you the question. Okay, you have to answer to your mother and she will be mother or father and they will be typing it in the chat box. Okay, my dears? Yes. So, circle the odd one. Circle the odd one. Yes, first one we can see. It's a marble. Then football, orange, ice cubes. Okay, now can you find out which solid shape is odd one here? Can I get the answers in the chat box? Yes, Nandana, very good. It's ice cube. Yes, Saranya ma'am is going to give us a big star. Yes, why it is odd, ma? Why? Because, yes, Satvika, very good. Why? Because it is a solid shape of cube. The rest of the shapes are in what shape? Yes, spherical shape, spear shape. The marbles, football, and orange are in spear shape. Yes, Ojasvi, very good. They are in spear shape. So, only the ice cubes are in cube shape. That's why we found the answer as Ice cubes. Yes. Yes. Now we will move on to the second question. Now find out the odd one here. My dear, kindly mute your audio. Yes, Rain Muttarasu, Ojaswi Naresh. Yes, it's a cylinder. Very good. So the odd one here is cylinder. Okay, can you find out the rest of the solid shapes?
Cylinder, ma'am.
Yes, my dear, it is cylinder. What about the book, matchbox, and the gift box? What are the solid shape of those?
Yes.
Cuboid. Very good. It's the cuboid. Very good, Nandana. So the book, matchbox, and the gift box are in the shape of cuboid, and the cylinder is in cylindrical. Sorry, the can is in cylindrical shape. Okay, my dears. Yes. So now we will move on to the third question. Are you ready? Yes. Cuboid, building block, cube shaped, alphabetical block, cube shaped, Rubik, cube shaped, wooden box. Now say me which is the odd one here. Yes, very good, Anishwar. It's a cuboid. So what is that? Yes, of course it is a cuboid. What is that? It's a building block. Yes, na? Yes, superb. So Saranya ma'am is going to give us a big star. Superb. Yes, so the rest of the things are in cube shape, and this building block is in cuboid shape. Very good. I hope so you all understood the concept. Yes, cube. You know the difference between the solid shapes and flat shapes. Yes? Yes, you have understood very well. Very well. Yes. Now we will move on to the fourth question. Cylindrical juice glass. Okay, cylindrical battery. Spear shape wool. Cylindrical can. So which is the odd one here? Wool. Very good, Rain Muttarasu. Very good, Meenakshi. Yes, it's in the spear shape. Wool is in the spear shape, not circle, my dear Anishwar. It is spear shape. Spear. Okay. So rest of the things are in cylindrical shape, and this woolen ball is only in spear shape. Yes, we found out the odd one here. Saranya ma'am is going to give us a big star.
We.
Yes, very good, my dears. Now we will move on to the next activity. Guess my shape. Okay, yes, I will be reading the question, and I want you to answer to your mother and father, and they will be posting it in the chat box. Yes, my dears? Yes. So I have 4 sides. Each side is equal. What shape am I? Anishwar, very good. It's a square. Super. Nandana, superb. Kanitra, very good. Very good. So I have 4 sides. Each side is equal. It's a square shape. You found it. Yes, Saranya ma'am is going to draw the smiley inside the square. It's a square smiley. It's for you all. She has also given us a circle smiley. Wow, superb. Okay, now, yes, I could get many answers in the chat box for the next question also. Very good to everyone. Yes, let me read out the question. I have 0 corners and 0 sides. I am round. What shape am I? Yes, Jai Krishna, Lingesh, Nandana, Satvika, Jai Krishna, Meenakshi, Puviri, Sadhana, Jaren, Jaganvel, Kanitra, Anishwar. Yes, very good, my dears. You all given the correct answer. So the answer is circle. Saranya is going to give us a circle smiley. Wow, you all love this, right? Yes. Hope you're all enjoying this. Superb. Now I have 2 more questions for you. Yes, let me see who is going to answer first for that. Yes? Yes, okay. I have three sides and three corners. What shape am I? Can I get the answers? No, it's not rectangle. Yes, Nandana, it's triangle. Very good. Very good, Rayan. Very good.
Triangle, ma'am.
Yes, my dears, I am very happy that you are answering for my question. So kindly mute yourself, Patu. Yes, Shyan, Kanitra, Lingesh, Satvika, Meenachi, Naresh, Sudarshan Prasad, Mahavidya, Nehan, Naresh, Jayakrishna, Jaganvel, Puvri. Very good, my dears. So the shape is triangle. It has Smita. Yes, it has three sides. Sanya ma'am is going to give us a triangle smiley for us. Hey, hooray! Superb! We all love it, right? Yes, I could get the answer for the next one also. Superb. Let me read out the question. I have four sides and four corners. Two are long and two are short. What shape am I? Yes, it's the rectangle. Very good, very good. Practice. Yes, very good. Kindly mute yourself, Patu. Yes, so very good. Anishwar, Ojashvi, Anishwar, Smith,
Rectangle.
Anishwar, Lingesh, Kanitra, Naresh, Meenachi, Nehan, Nandana, Smita, Puviri, Rivan, Jaganvel, Sadhana, Satvika, Kavicharan, Jayakrishna, Shayan, Darshan, Sudarshan Prasad, Harshika, Samresh, Mahavidya, Anishwar. Very good, superb. So all has given the correct answer. So Sarnya ma'am is going to give us the rectangle smiley. Yes, it is so wonderful, right? We all enjoyed this session, right? Yes. Now it's time to call out the participants of English competition. Yes. So are you ready, my dears? Yes, just give me a minute. Yes, before the children come, we will sing the shape song. Okay, my dears? Yes, the children can be ready and we will sing the shape songs. Are you ready to sing the song along with me? Yes. I'm a square, you can see me everywhere. I have four sides, I'm a square. I'm a circle, I go round and round and round. I have no sides, I'm a circle, round and round. I'm a triangle, you can see me everywhere. I have three sides, I'm a triangle. I'm a rectangle, you can see me all around. I have four sides. I'm a rectangle. Yes, the rectangle, it will be like a square, but it will be very long, right? Yes. We are shapes. You can see us all around. Yes, we are shapes. No, so now it's the time to call out Nehan. Nehan Kanna, are you ready? Kindly unmute your audio and video and give your performance. Nehan, are you there, Kanna?
I am Nehan, first standard A section. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, my dear.
I am Nehan, good first standard E section. Do you know laughter is the best medicine? Once there lived a grumpy king. He never used to laugh, nor allow anyone in the kingdom to laugh. One day, a small boy couldn't control his laughter. He was scared after punishment. Then he got an idea. He wrote a funny story and he kept it into a drama. Then he went to the kingdom. Can I present my drama, please? The king The king let him do it. The king let him do it. In the end, he came to the funniest part of the story, which made the king laugh. Everybody in the kingdom to laugh. Thank you.
Superb, Nehan. It was wonderful. Thank you so much. It was very good. Yes. Next, I would like to call Varunika. Very good, Nehan. Very good. You can unmute your video and audio. Yes, Patu. Yes. Next, I would like to call Varunika. Are you ready, my dear? Varunika, kindly unmute your video and audio. Varunika, are you there? What? Okay, yes. Krishiv, Varunika is not there, so I would like to call Krishiv. Krishiv, Jai Gurudev Kanna, yes. Give out your performance.
Okay, ma'am. My name is Krishan. I studying in class 1, first standard E session. I peacock. One day, peacock is a natural animal.
Wait.
Natural bird. She fly in the sky. He have many colors. We can see June and forest. And thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, my dear. It was wonderful. So now it's a time to say bye-bye. Yes, kindly unmute your video and give your hand.
Bye, ma'am.
Yes, bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye.
Bye-bye, Kanna.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye, Mokshita, Shiv, Madish, Jaganvel, Naresh, Kanika. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Yes, Sai Krishnan, Kala, Satvika, Shayan, Binav, Jaganvel. Bye-bye. Naresh, bye. Sita, bye. Sita, bye.
இப்படி ஆனது
Tejashvi, bye. Bye, Jaganvel. Bye, Jaganvel.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye-bye. Bye, Pragalpa. Bye, Naresh. Bye.
இருக்குல்ல
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, Subramani. Double 8,
Thank you,
7, 5. Bye, Dakanna. Bye. Bye-bye.
ma'am.
Bye-bye. Bye to everyone.
Bye.
Jai Krishna, bye. Kavya Shri, bye. Ilama, Smita, Sampresh, Shiv, Jai Krishna.
Bye.
Ika, Meenakshi. Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
See you, my dear. Bye-bye. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Jan,
Bye, ma'am.
Janvita, bye-bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye,
Bye. 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 Bye to everyone. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Jai Krishna, what is that? What are you showing to me? What is that? Wow, it's wonderful. What is that, Ma? Unmute and say, what is that? Unmute your audio and say, Kanna, what is that?
Alami.
Huh?
Alami.
Caterpillar.
Alami.
Wow, it's wonderful, Kanna. It is nice. You have drawn very nice. Yes, Nandana. Wow, it is also superb, Kanna.
Thank
Nice,
you,
you have
ma'am.
drawn very nice. Superb. Very good. Very good.